in my situation, because I had such a bad injury to the nerve, I had a lot of neck pain and didn't really think about what my options were because I was just living with it. I wasn't doing much of anything. I was completely disabled at that point. My name is Dr. William Talley. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in spine of the neck and back. Before I had my injury, I pretty much did whatever I wanted. I was a very active guy, mountain climbing, water skiing, snow skiing. No motorsports yet. I had started to get a little bit of neck pain, but it never really limited me. I lived with my neck pain for a couple of years, treating it with therapy, stretching, and anti-inflammatories. Unfortunately, I had an MVA, a motor vehicle accident. I was hit by a drunk driver back in 2010, which resulted in a disc herniation and compressed nerve down into my right arm. So I needed that nerve decompressed, and part of that surgery is to take out the disc in the neck. The disc has to be replaced with something, and traditionally that's a fusion surgery. I chose not to have that surgery done. I chose to have an artificial disc replacement. I was introduced to prodisc heavily during my fellowship, which is the last year of my training. And because of the data, because of the long-term results, that was the implant that I wanted. We went straight to surgery within a few days. Within a week, I was getting back to work, getting back to taking care of my family, taking care of myself. From the acute injury, this gave me my life back. From the chronic injury, it made my life a lot better. I don't know that I've been able to drive the race car for the couple of years before I had surgery. You get sore all over, the G-loads, the endurance, the beating that we take. It would have made my neck a lot more uncomfortable than I would have been able to put up with. Running, falling on a wakeboard, snowboarding, I am much more able and active in high risk and high impact activities. The bad reputation spine's had for generations is changing rapidly. The surgeries are better, the implants are better, the outcomes are better. There's a lot of people living a completely normal lifestyle. And our mission here with Centinel Spine, with prodisc, is to get that word out that you don't just survive spine surgery anymore, it makes your life better.